Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel European Hair Fashion. I hope you are fine and doing good. First of all, I would like to tell you that in my videos, I'll show you trendy haircuts, hair dye and hairstyle ideas all over the world, which makes you look more presentable. If you want to see the latest haircuts, hair colors and hairstyle ideas, friends, then watch my video till the end. And do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon that you will be notified by my new videos. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you simple updo hairstyles with birdcage veil. There are many hairstyles for this look. As you guys all know, buns, messy and twisted updos, braids, bobs and waves are all on the table. You can also consider a few of the more modern styles like fishtail essence, side swept or short sides with voluminous tops. Adorned with a pearl and silver print for elegance, you may also consider a French roll for your natural bob. But if your theme is beachy or garden inspired, an airy wave is perfect. Guys, this is very informative video for you, so please watch it till the end. This video is for the girls who are about to get married and want to get this look. So please take a screenshot of the look which you want. By taking the picture, you can easily get this look from any parlor. After watching the video, you guys must throw a comment in the comment section that you like my video, my channel and suggest to me some good ideas for haircut, hair color and hairstyles which you want. I will be very happy to follow your comments and I will make a video for you. Thank you so much guys for trusting me. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you like my videos, share my videos on your social media accounts. Share it with your friends so that they can visit my YouTube channel and watch the amazing videos and get amazing ideas for haircut, hair colors and hairstyles. I will continue making more informative videos. Guys, please watch and support my videos. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon that you will be notified by my new videos and share them with your family members and friends. That's all in this video. See you guys in the next video. Take care guys. Bye bye.